most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Dan Tomaso.
Hello and welcome in, everyone. Start of our Monday morning. That's muggy in a lot of locations, including Lancaster right now, but it is dry. And if you think back to this past weekend, we had a line of showers and storms during the middle part of Saturday. Since that point, we've actually had a break from the rounds of storms coming on through, but still some lingering remnant showers off to our west. There's not a lot really on radar at the moment, but here we go. We have a couple of areas of rain right along parts of I-80 and near Punxsutawney, some lightning popping up there. If we do see a couple of more showers and storms form from west to east coming into the mountains, that could limit activity later on in terms of, okay, when we get the building heat and humidity, what's left in the atmosphere to work with. Again, some of that could be tapped into this morning, but I do think that's going to be few and far between. That's not a huge chance for showers and storms here today. Temperatures in the mid 60s for Lancaster and Lebanon, Chambersburg at 64, Harrisburg at 71. Here's a look at dew points. Again, low to mid 60s to upper 60s. We've actually seen more humid mornings than this. I know it still feels sticky outside, but it's actually a little bit lower than it has been in some cases. Yesterday's high, 90 degrees. I will not be surprised to see that happen again today, but even with the storms we've received in the last 2 weeks, this is a very concerning number that it continues to go up. Our deficit now is almost at 7 inches. It's been a while since I've seen a number that high here locally, but it's because the hit or miss nature of the showers and storms and who's getting the heavy rain and who is not. And that's going to be, once again, an issue that pops up later today. And I'll try to explain that with Precision Cast coming up, but it is going to be a warm day too. Temperatures start where they are now, near 70 degrees, but highs near 90 and easily pushing into the 80s before we see more storm activity. So there's humidity along this stalled front. There's plenty of atmospheric moisture to work with. The question is, how much lift will there be and how will these storms arriving from the west kind of interact with what the environment here is locally? Well, again, we're going to call for scattered showers and storms. That doesn't mean everyone is going to get rain. Some model forecasts do show a good chance of everyone at least getting some shower activity. But notice here at Precision Cast, there are still gaps. So here's through this morning. Again, a couple of light showers over the mountains perhaps, but as early as lunchtime today, we could see this line starting to take shape. And then notice it plows through, and this is through about 4 or 5 o'clock with a few lingering storms behind it. But it kind of missed parts of the viewing area there, including northern half of Dauphin County, northern Lebanon County. We could see something like that play out later today. There goes the rest of the line here by 8, 9 o'clock, and then we're drier for tonight. Tomorrow, the same deal. There could still be a passing line of showers and storms, but I don't see as much activity tomorrow as we see today. This is a pattern that's going to continue to repeat even into Wednesday, but again, Wednesday, I start to see the chances of rain start to wane. But here today, and at least in terms of rain totals, you can kind of see how it's all over the place. Some places over an inch, places like Lancaster, not even a tenth of an inch. Will that be the exact case? Hard to say. But heading into tomorrow's forecast, another round, and perhaps we pick up a little bit more rain in some locations. So day by day, between today and tomorrow, hopefully we all get some much needed rainfall. And there's the passing front and the chances of showers and storms kind of knocking down temperatures temporarily today. All depends on the timing of that rain, how warm we can get. Again, potentials there, we could be near 90 degrees. Same thing goes into Tuesday's forecast, upper 80s, until that line of showers and storms arrives to cool things off. So how about the 7-day forecast? What are we looking at in terms of rain chances coming up? Well, again, today's likely the highest chance of the week. Tonight, again, maybe a few lingering showers and storms early, but then that starts to wane into the nighttime hours. Your 7-day forecast shows, I think, decreasing chances of daily storms by Wednesday into Thursday and Friday. Now, what you don't want to talk about, though, James, is the cooler weather moving into the weekend. Highs only near 80 degrees. Now, I know you were just on vacation.
Yes.
Hopefully you got some of that warmth and humidity. I know it seemed hot where you were.
Yeah, it was very hot, nice. You know, it was at the beach, so it was relaxing, warm,
good.
Nice summer week.
That's what we want to hear because, again, those days, not over by any stretch, but I do think maybe closer to 80 rather than 90.
Yeah.
Looking ahead into next weekend, early next week.
All right, Dan. Thank you very
Sure.
much. Stay with us. We'll be right back.